everyone, and welcome to another episode of English Podcast Conversation. In today's episode, we will be focusing on English conversation. Listening to English conversation is an essential part of improving your English language skills. It can help you improve your listening, speaking, and comprehension skills. In this video, we will be exploring a common scenario, shopping for clothes. Joining me today are Sarah and John. Welcome, Sarah and John.
Thank you! Excited to talk about shopping for clothes.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.
So, in today's lesson, we're going to look at language about daily conversation about shopping for clothes. We're also going to learn a few phrases. Well, let's get started then with our vocabulary preview.
Vocabulary preview. We have two great words for you today, Sarah. The first word is flashy. This word refers to something that is showy, attention-grabbing, or flamboyant in style or appearance. The second one is fitting rooms. While not a single word, fitting rooms can be challenging for non-native English speakers due to its specific vocabulary. It refers to the designated area in a store where customers try on clothing items before making a purchase. And finally, process. This word has multiple meanings, but in the context of the conversation, it refers to carrying out the necessary steps or actions to complete a transaction or payment. That all for today vocabulary preview.
Thank you for the vocabulary preview.
Great! So, let's dive right into our shopping conversation. Imagine we're at a clothing store, and Sarah, you're the customer. Take it away.
Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I do. How can I assist you today?
I'm looking for a dress for an upcoming event. Could you help me find something elegant?
Certainly. We have a wide selection of dresses. What color and style are you looking for?
I prefer something in a dark blue or black, and a style that's not too flashy but still classy.
Got it. Follow me and I'll show you some options.
Oh, this one looks nice. Can I try it on?
Absolutely. The fitting rooms are right over there. Take your time and let me know if you need any other sizes or styles.
I love how this dress fits. It's perfect. I'll take it.
Excellent choice. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yes, I'm also looking for a pair of black heels to go with the dress. Any recommendations?
We have a variety of black heels to choose from. Let me show you some options.
These ones look great. Do you have them in size 7?
Yes, we do. Here you go.
Perfect. I'll take the dress and the heels. How much does it come to?
The total for the dress and heels is $150.
Great. Here's my card.
Thank you. I'll process the payment for you. All right, the transaction is complete. Here's your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. I'm really happy with my purchases.
Well done, Sarah and John. That was a smooth shopping conversation. Now, let's fast forward a bit. Sarah, you're now at home and want to express your satisfaction with the purchases. Take it from there.
All right, here's how I would do it. Hi, John. I just wanted to say how pleased I am with the dress and heels I bought today. They fit perfectly, and I'm excited to wear them to the event. Thank you for your help and excellent service.
You're very welcome, Sarah. I'm delighted to hear that you're happy with your purchases. We strive to provide the best service to our customers. If you ever need anything else, feel free to visit us again.
I definitely will. Thanks again, John.
Excellent job, Sarah and John. That interaction showed great customer service and customer satisfaction. And that concludes our shopping conversation. We hope this conversation in a clothing store setting helped you practice your English skills. Remember, effective communication and positive interactions make for a pleasant shopping experience. And now, let's discuss an exciting topic, the world of fashion. Sarah, what's the latest fashion item you bought?
Well, recently I bought a stylish leather jacket. It's a classic piece that goes well with many outfits. I love how versatile it is.
That sounds amazing, Sarah. Leather jackets are indeed a timeless fashion staple. Now, John, how about you? What's the latest fashion item you bought?
I recently bought a pair of trendy sneakers. They have a unique design and are incredibly comfortable. I like how they add a touch of street style to my outfits.
Great choices, both of you. Fashion items can truly elevate our personal style. Now let's move on to the next question. Sarah, do you follow any fashion influencers?
Yes, I do. I find fashion influencers on social media inspiring and a great source of fashion inspiration. They showcase different styles and trends that I can incorporate into my own wardrobe.
That's wonderful, Sarah. Fashion influencers have become quite influential in shaping the fashion industry. And John, how about you? Do you follow any fashion influencers?
Not as actively as Sarah, but I do keep an eye on a few fashion influencers. I appreciate their unique perspectives and how they experiment with different styles. It's nice to get ideas and stay updated on the latest trends.
Absolutely, John. Fashion influencers can provide valuable insights and fresh ideas. Now, let's move on to our final question. Sarah, who's your favorite fashion designer?
Oh, that's a tough one. There are so many talented designers out there, but if I had to choose one, I'd say Stella McCartney. I love her commitment to sustainable and ethical fashion. Her designs are both elegant and environmentally conscious.
That's an excellent choice, Sarah. Stella McCartney is indeed renowned for her sustainable approach to fashion. And John, who's your favorite fashion designer?
I'm drawn to the bold and edgy designs of Alexander McQueen. His creations push boundaries and make a powerful statement. I admire his artistic vision and attention to detail.
Fantastic choice, John. Alexander McQueen's designs are truly remarkable and iconic. Thank you both for sharing your favorite fashion designers. That concludes our fashion conversation. Thank you, Sarah and John, for your insights and engaging discussion.
Thank you for having us. It was a pleasure to talk about fashion.
Indeed, it was a great conversation. Thank you for having us.
And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Remember, fashion is a form of self-expression, and exploring different styles and designers can be a fun and creative journey. Until next time, take care and stay fashionable.